Oh, hi! Welcome back to our vegan kitchen. I've got a salad recipe for you in the winter.
Ooh.
And it's not a hot salad, but you know what? We eat salad all year round. This is for Green Goddess.
Yum.
Vegan style, baby. Is there any other kind? Probably, but we're doing vegan. So, I feel like this is going to be my new favorite salad dip. Add in to a salad. I mean, you could put this on top of a regular salad. You could eat this with like chips or...
What?
Yes. Basically, it's like a coleslaw with extra stuff. So I started out being lazy and just using a bagged coleslaw mix. And I went a little too hard on the coleslaw mix because I did a bag and a half and I probably should have just done a bag. So it's going to be spilling all over the place when we go to mix this.
Oh, no.
That's my MO. That's how I operate. Also, I'm going to be adding a bunch of scallions chopped up, a small red onion chopped up, and 1 English cuke. Or you could use the little Persian cucumbers, but probably need about 4 of those to equal an English cucumber. And by English cucumber, I mean those ones that don't have the seeds. They come wrapped up in the little condoms.
Oh.
And yeah, they're really good. I find that the seeds in a regular cucumber is really, it's tough on the digestive system. You get a lot of like, for lack of a better word, burps. These are called the burpless cucumbers. I think the seeds, you have to go through the whole scooping out of the seeds if you want to avoid that. But you could use regular cucumber, but I would take out the seeds. That's the greenery. Now we're going to mix the dressing for it. That's how easy this is. It's just like, okay, chop, blend, then mix. All right, so I've got about a cup of spinach in here. Maybe 2/3 of a cup because it's frozen, but if you were doing fresh, I would do a whole cup. I also have some fresh basil, but you can also use the paste like you get at Aldi in the tube, the basil paste. We've got 2 garlics. Now we're going to add 2 shots of white vinegar. This is a beautiful white balsamic vinegar. I wouldn't use a red vinegar for this. I would use like a rice vinegar or like a Prosecco vinegar would be really good. Vinegar. So we're going to do 2 shots, which is 2 tablespoons in my world anyway. Then you can use fresh lemon, of course, but got cuts on my fingers. Don't want that. I'm going to do 1/4 of a cup of this beautiful imported from Italy vinegar. Italy, as my mom would say. And then we're also going to do 1/4 of a cup of Evo, as my mom would also say. My mom loved her Evo.
Yes, she did.
And she would only get the one from California. Nothing else, daughter. She would send me to the store and no, I don't want that one. I want the one that's 100% California. So I started using the 100% California, and I have to say I noticed a difference. This is a very, very good, high quality olive oil. Very flavorful. Now, this is like a pesto, so we're not going to do pine nuts. We're going to do walnuts. But I guess you could do pine nuts if you wanted to. So, or almonds. I'm going to do like 1, 2 handfuls. That's probably more than I should, but I really like walnuts. And then we're going to do some salt for flavor. So this is going to ultimately be 1/2 teaspoon. Not too much. We don't want it too salty. And then we're going to take it over to the blender and blend it. And nooch. Secret ingredient. So I'm running a little bit low on my nooch. I hope I have enough here. I'm aiming to get in 1/4 of a cup, which is 4 tablespoons. Okay, perfect. Still got some
Woo!
left. My delivery is coming in a couple days, so I hope I make it.
I hope so.
All right, let's blend. And away we go. All right. In all disclosure here, we did scrape down the sides. I mean, I think that's
Ooh.
fairly obvious if you know how to use a blender.
Looks like Nickelodeon.
You ready to get gacked?
I'm ready to get slime, baby.
All right. Ooh, yeah, baby. That looks so colorful and
Yes.
inviting. We're going to take a good 5 minutes to scrape all of this
You don't
out
want
of
to
the
miss any of
blender.
that dressing.
I know, right?
All right, well, we'll check back in.
Okay. Now we're ready to slop it up.
Good luck.
The thing about this, I feel like, is it's going to be super delicious day of.
Mm-hmm.
But it's one of those ones that after it sits in the refrigerator a day or two, it just really enhances the flavor so much.
Totally see that.
Because the dressing kind of mellows out and it gets sucked in to the cucumber and the cabbage.
Mm-hmm.
And it's just so beautiful. You know?
Yeah.
I really put way too much
You put a
coleslaw
lot
mix.
of coleslaw.
A lot of coleslaw, not enough dressing, but that's okay because I don't like it too soupy.
Mm-hmm.
You know, I hate when you go to a diner and, well, back in the day, I don't know if they have vegan coleslaw at diners anymore, but they used to give you that little paper sample cup of coleslaw with your meal, and it used to be all soup on the bottom. You know, like 1 spoon of coleslaw and like 2 spoonfuls of white liquid.
Ew.
This looks like it's coming together pretty
Yeah,
nicely,
looks
though.
pretty good.
Yeah. So we're going to give this a thorough mix. We're going to let it sit at least 10 minutes before we taste it because I feel like it really needs to
Yeah.
just sit for a little bit.
Okay.
I mean, it would be ideal an hour, but we don't have that today, so we're just going to try it after it sits for just a little bit.
Yum.
Yeah. I tried to convince Maddie to eat this out of the bowl with the big spoon, but she said, you know what?
We'll do half credit. I will eat out of the big bowl, but I'm going to use a fork.
Yeah.
Ooh, it smells so good.
Well, you are a pesto lover.
I do really love pesto.
Yeah.
Ooh. Smells like pesto.
Yes.
Look at the best. Ooh. So bright and light.
It's fresh.
Mm-hmm. That lemon juice really,
It brightens it up.
mm-hmm.
So I feel like you could eat that as is, or you could
just
eat
gonna
that
continue to
with
eat
a
out of the
salad.
bowl.
Yeah, you could eat it with a salad.
You mean like on top of lettuce?
Yeah,
Yeah.
right. Like you could add it to
You
lettuce.
could eat it either way.
Yeah,
I'm going to eat more out of this bowl.
yeah. I mean, you could also add tomatoes, you know, when you serve it.
This is beautiful.
I know, this is going to be like my new favorite.
It's making it feel like spring even though it's not.
Yes, it's like eating a big bowl of grass.
Big bowl of summer. It's delicious.
I mean, we eat salad just about every day.
Mhm.
So, like, this is nice for a change.
That is delicious.
Oh, well, thank you. And it's so easy.
It was really quick and easy.
I mean, what was it? 5 to 10 minutes of prep?
Mm-hmm.
And then...
One more bite.
Okay. Well, I'm going to have it tonight with my Valentine's dinner of veggie lasagna. So,
Wonderful.
and I'm sure you'll be having some for lunch tomorrow.
You know I will. Thanks everybody so much for watching. I just wanted to make sure I didn't have any green in my tea.
Yes, let us know if you make this or
Yeah.
if you have made this.
This is fantastic. I would definitely make this over and over again.
Yes.
For sure.
You got to have it on hand,
Mhm.
I feel like.
So thank you all so much. Let us know if you give this a try. And if you're not already subscribed, why not subscribe?
It's free.
And until next time, much love.